ActiveData's Fill Cells feature lets you populate columns with various items, including fixed, incremental, random values, and random items. In this example, I'm going to enter some fixed values. Cell contents can be replaced, prefixed on the left, or appended to the right of existing cells. Cells can be filled with numeric values, you can also fill cells with dates. Now I'm going to switch over to the Invoices sheet using ActiveData's Open Workbook shortcut. I'll move the dialog off to the side. Then I'll select the Blank Duplicate Cells option, which will remove duplicate customer numbers. I can reverse this using the Fill Blank Cells with Last Non-Blank Cell option. Cells can be filled with sequences of incremental values and dates. Here I'll set the start value to 100, the increment to 2, and the number of decimals also to 2, and this will generate the sequence that you see in column A. Now I'll generate a sequence of dates. I'll set the start date to September 1st, and I'll set the increment, or the number of days between each date, to 7, and this will generate a sequence of dates 1 week apart from each other. Cells can be filled with random values and random dates. Here I'll generate random numbers between the value 1 and 49, and I'll specify 0 decimal places. Next, I'll ask ActiveData to fill the selected cells with random dates between September 1st and September 30th. You can also fill cells with random items selected from information in other workbooks and worksheets. Here we'll select a group of items from a sheet that I have set up called First Names. ActiveData will fill the selected cells with items drawn at random from the specified list of first names. I'll repeat the process using random items selected from the Surnames worksheet. Now I'll generate a street number column. I'll have the street numbers start at 100 and increment them by 10. Next, I'll generate some street names. I'll do the same thing for city. And finally, I'll set up an account balance column. I'll specify that my balances start at 100 and go through 1,000 and enter 2 decimals to indicate that these are dollar values. Now I'll name the columns. And I'll use ActiveData's Format Sheet command to auto-size the column widths and freeze row 1.